this is Mahesh D. Kamankur here with chapter number 2, linear equations in one variable. Previous session we learned how to solve the linear equations. Today we will discuss about statement problems from exercise 2.4. Amina thinks of a number, subtracts 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? See, my question is very interesting problem. First, we don't know the number, so let the number be x. According to the statement, my decisions how to convert statement into equation is very important. So listen carefully here. Amina thinks of a number we don't know, that's why we consider it x, and subtract 5 by 2 from it. So can I write x minus 5 by 2, a number subtract from 5 by 2, x minus 5 by 2. She multiplies the result, whatever getting this answer, no, then you have to multiply with 8. The result now obtained 3 times, means 3 times of the same number. So we have to take 3x. Understood? I repeat, my dear students, let the number be x, number should be subtract from the number 5 by 2, so x minus 5 by 2, and multiply the result by 8, and you will get 3 times of the same number. So we have to take 3x. Again, my dear students, this 8 is there, then we have to multiply this 8 into both the terms. So nothing is there means you can write a denominator should be 1. So 8 into x, you can write 8x, plus into minus 8 into 5 by 2 is equal to 3x. See, my dear students, here 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja. Multiplication sign is there, you can get cancelled. 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja. So what we get now? 8x is equal to 8x minus 4 into 5, you will get 20 and is equal to 3x. Now variable separate and constant term separate, make it. 8x keep as it is, plus 3x transferring to LHS minus 3x, minus 20 transferring to RHS plus 20. So 8x minus 3x, 5x is equal to 20. X is equal to 20 by 5. See, 5 1 ja, 5 4 ja. So x is equal to 4. Therefore, the required number is 4. I repeat, my decision, please concentrate. Let the number be x. Amina thinks of a number and subtract 5 by 2 from it. So number should be x consider minus 5 by 2. Again multiply with 8. Will be 3 times of the same number. Number means x consider, same number multiply 3 times means we have to go for 3x. Suppose they given 4 times, we have to write 4x. Suppose they given 5 times, we have to write 5x. Understood? Now 8 is multiplied with both terms. So 8 into x, 8x, plus into minus, 8 into 5 by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja is equal to 3x, keep as it is. So 8x minus keep as it is, 4 into 5 is 20 is equal to 3x. 8x by plus 3x transferring to LHS minus 3x minus 20 transferring to RHS plus 20. 8x minus 3x 5x is equal to 20. So x is equal to 25. 5 1 ja, 5 4 ja. So x is equal to 4. So therefore the required number is 4. Understood, my dear students? So next problem. A positive number is 5 times another number if 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers becomes twice the other new number. What are the numbers? See, my dear students, a positive number is 5 times another number. Means there are two numbers are there. The two numbers we don't know. So let the first number be x, then the second number be, can I take 5x, because they told 5 times of the number. So first number be x, second number be 5x. According to the statement, see my different statement considered. If 21 is added to both the numbers, 21 is added to both the number. First number adding with plus 21. Again, second number 5x plus 21. If you add both number 21, so plus 21 plus 21. Next, my dear students, then one of the new number become twice. Twice means 2 times. Any one number multiply with 2. So here, can I take the 2 of x plus 21 is equal to 5x plus 21? Only any one multiply with 2. Twice of the number they given. That's why any one number multiply with twice. Now this 2 is related to both numbers, so we have to multiply with both terms. 2 into x should be 2 into x plus 2 into 21 is equal to 5x plus 21. 2 into x, 2x plus 2 into 21, 42. 5x plus 21, keep as it is. Understood, my dear friends? So variable separate and constant term separate. Plus 5x transferring to LHS minus 5x. 21 plus 42 transferring to RHS minus 42. So 2x minus 5x we will get minus 3x plus 21 minus 42. This should be minus 21. So minus minus get cancelled. So what is remaining now? 3x is equal to 21. So x is equal to 21 divided by 3. 3 1 ja, 3 7 ja. So x is equal to, we got 7. It is not a final answer. Therefore, first number is equal to what we consider x, that should be 7. Second number, what we consider 5x. So 5 into 7, that should be 35. The two numbers are those 7 and 35. Understood? I repeat once again, my addition, please concentrate. Let the, there are another number they given, that's why two number we have to take. Let the first number be x, then the second number be 5x. According to the statement, 21 is added to both the numbers. So x and 5x is there. That's why we have to add plus 21 plus 21. Both the number we are adding 21. So they given here in the statement, one of the new number becomes twice of the other new number. So multiply with 2 here. 2 into x and plus 2 into 21. Keep as it is 5x plus 21. Any one number multiply with 2 times. So 2 into x, 2x. 2 into 21, 42 is equal to 5x plus 21. So variable separate, constant term separate. 2x is equal to plus 5x transferring to LHS minus 5x. So 21 keep as it is, plus 42 transferring to RHS minus 42. So 2x minus 5x minus 3x, 21 minus 42 minus 21, minus minus get cancelled. So 3x is equal to 21, x is equal to 21 by 3. So 3 1 ja 3 7 ja, x is equal to 7. So first number be x is equal to 7, then second number is equal to 5x, 5 of 7 is equal to 35. My dear student, sir, we are multiplying to here, okay. Suppose we multiply here also, no, that is also possible. 100% you will get x value, my dear students. But we'll see that after solving, you know that why we have to not multiply here, okay. See my dear students, same term I will take one more time. X plus 21, again twice of the number will be multiplied twice through 5x plus 21. What will happen? We'll see that. See, x plus 21, 2 into 5x should be 10x, plus into plus plus, 21 to 42. Understood, my dear students? So x plus 21 is equal to 10x plus 42, keep as it is. So variable separate, constant term separate. X plus 10x transferring to LHS minus 10x, 42 keep as it is, plus 21 transferring to RHS minus 21. So plus x minus 10x should be minus 9x is equal to 42 minus we get 21. So x is equal to 21 divided by minus 9. So 3 7s are 21, 3 3s are 9. Observe carefully, my dear students, here plus into minus x value you will get minus 7 by 3. But in the statement they ask a positive number. But if you multiply twice here, what we get? We'll get negative number. So my dear students, you should remember first number we multiply twice. First only x plus 21 we have to multiply. If you multiply 2 to 5x plus 21, that also get answer, but the answer will be negative. So according to the statement, they asking that a positive number. So we have to multiply x plus 21 to twice, means we have to multiply twice to this number only. Understood? That's why this one no need to write. If you multiply to 5x plus 21 twice 2 times, means we will get negative number. That is the reason we are not multiplying it twice here. Understood? Suppose instead of positive number they ask negative number, means we have to multiply twice to 5x plus 21. Understood, my dear students? Okay, third problem. Very interesting and very important question. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number. By 27. What is the 2-digit number? My dear students, very important and very interesting question. The given, my dear students, here sum of the digits of two-digit number is 9. Means, for example, we know that two-digit number start from 10 ending with 99. My dear students, see, for example, 1 plus 0, sum of the digit means 1 plus 0 will get 1. According to the statement, it is not possible. So 9 plus 9 should be 18. According to the statement, 18 also not possible. Similarly, my dear students, you can try with 11. 1 plus 1, it will be 2. It is also not possible. But sum of the digits should be required as a 9. There are few numbers are there. For example, if you take 18, see, 1 plus 8 will get 9. Yes, 18 is possible. Understood, my dear students? Similarly, we can try with 27. 2 plus 7, we can take 9. Yes, according to the statement, 27 also possible. You can take 36. 3 plus 6 should be 9. It is also possible. 45. 4 plus 5 should be 9. It is also possible. Now, our answer should be 18, 27 or 36 or 45. Sir, they given in the statement interchange. Suppose 18 interchange. If we 18 interchange, this should be 81. 27 interchange should be 72. 36 interchange, it should be 63. 45 interchange, 54 possible. Again, my dear students, if we add 8 plus 1, you will get 9. 7 plus 2, it will get 9. 6 plus 3, you will get 9. 5 plus 4, it will get 9. Then our answer should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 possibles are there. One more if possible is there. See, suppose you take 90, my dear students, what will happen? 90 means 9 plus 0, you will get 9. But 90 interchange means it will become 09. Observe carefully. 09 is a two-digit number? Sorry. So this is not possible. That's why I am not taking before 90. 90 is not possible. Why? Because, my dear students, 90 means sum of the digit 9 plus 0 will get 9. But if we interchange the number, 90 will become 09. It should be one digit number. No, that's why it is failed. One digit number. So it is not possible. So our answer should be in this 8 only. Understood the concept, my dear students? So also you should remember, my dear students, observe these numbers carefully. There are two place values are there here. Which are those? One is unit place, one is tens place. But particularly we don't know which is a unit place, which is a tenth place. That's why we are taking the variables. So my dear students, first we will start with unit digit and 10 digits. Why we taking only 2 digits? Because 2 digits place value should be there, unit place and tens place. No, so we have to take here. We don't know which is the number is there. So let the digit in units place x, then the digit in tens place. Can I write 9 minus x? Maximum student not understood. Why we taking 9 minus x? See, my dear students, they given the statement sum of the two digits units place. Can I write UP plus TP means tens place? Can I write sum of the digits should be 9 they given. Understood? So UP means, can I substitute the value of UP as x plus TP? Assume that we don't know unknown quantities. This one TP keep as it is and 9 keep as it is. So tens place means what will write? 9 keep as it is plus x transferring to RHS minus x. That's why I am writing TP means 10 place should be 9 minus x. Understood, my dear students? One more time I will explain. Sum of the two digit means UP plus TP. As I told, 2 plus 7, 3 plus 6, like that. Now same, UP plus TP is equal to 9. UP means we consider the x. TP unknown quantities, that will TP keep as it is equal to 9. Why we take a 9? Because in the statement they given 9. So TP is equal to 9 keep as it is plus x transferring to RHS minus x. That's why we are taking here 9 minus x. Understood? So next, there are two numbers they given. One is the resulting number, one is the original number. original number is equal to 10 into the digit in UP. UP means unit place, plus the digit in TP. My dear students, here some student will confusion. Why sir will take 10 here? Then why we taking UP? Why we taking this is the TP? In the previous classes we studied already explanation form. For example, 27 they given means explanation form. How will write? Here 2 into 10 plus 7 into 1. For example, 125. How will write this one in expansion form? 1 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 5 into 1. This is called explanation form. I will ask you my dear students, why we multiply 100 here? It means we are saying confidently 1 is a 100 place. Why you multiply 10 means you are saying confidently 2 is a 10th place. Why you multiply 1 here means we have to saying that unit place. Here also same, and here see 2 is a 10th place, that's why we multiplying 10. 7 is a unit place, that's why multiplying 1. Then same method, here 2 digit highest place value is 10, that's why we are multiplying with 10. And here next term, the digit in UP plus the digit in TP. And my dear students, don't confuse here, sir, why we take a UP and TP? First we can take TP, then we can take TP, UP. No problem. Any order you can change the order. There is no change in result. Okay. So substitute the value here, my dear students. 10 keep as it is. What we consider the digit in UP means x consider. That's why substitute the value of x UP here. Then TP means 9 minus x. Understood? Now 10 into x 10x plus 9 minus x. See my dear students, like terms here, 10x minus x should be 9x plus 9. Can you say that equation number 1? Understood? I repeat, 10 into the digit in UP plus the digit in TP. So 10 keep as it is, UP means x, TP means 9 minus x. So 10 into x 10x plus 9 minus x keep as it is. 10x minus x should be 9x plus 9 keep as it is, equation number 1. So next in the statement they told that interchange the digits. Interchange the digits. So you can name them instead of original number, we can give name as a resulting number. Can keep as it is, and don't interchange 1 0 to 0 1. It will be again one place. No? That's why 10 keep as it is, constant place. Now, my dear students, now you can write the digit in instead of UP. We have to interchange. TP will give keep as it is here now plus the digit in UP. And also my dear students, it is not compulsory. We can write TP only first then UP. You can take first as a TP, then UP can write. Those you writing TP here, UP here, you can change here order, no problem. Or you can take UP, TP first, then TP, UP keep as it is. Understood? Wherever you can write, no problem here. So 10 keep as it is. The digit in TP means what we consider 9 minus x. So 9 minus x keep as it is. Plus unit digit means x. So 10 into 9 should be 90, plus into minus, minus 10 into x, 10x plus x. See my dear students, 90 keep as it is, minus 10x plus 1x should be minus 9x, equation number 2. I repeat, let the digit in unit place be x, the digit in 10 place be 9 minus x. Why we take a 9 minus x? UP plus TP is equal to 9. X keep as it is, TP is equal to 9, TP is equal to 9 minus x. This 9 minus x I replace here. Original number is equal to 10 into the digit in UP plus the digit in TP. So UP keep as it is means x value here, TP means 9 minus x. Multiply 10 into x, 10x plus 9 minus x. 10x minus x should be 9x plus 9, equation number 1. Interchange the digits. Original number 10, think that resulting number. 10 into the digit in TP plus the digit in UP. So 10 keep as it is, substitute the value of 10's place here. 9 minus x, 9 minus x plus UP place value should be x. So 10 into 9, 90, plus into minus, minus 10 into x is 10x plus x. 90 keep as it is, minus 10x plus 1x should be 9x, equation number 2. Understood, my dear students? Next line, according to the statement. According to the statement. See, my dear students, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. Original number means, my dear students, we got already in equation 1 9x plus 9 is equal to. Resulting number means we already got 90 minus 9x. Observe carefully. Original number means 9x plus 9. Resulting number means 90 minus 9x from equation 1 and 2. They told in the statement, it is found that the resulting new number is greater. Means resulting number means 90 minus 9x is greater by how much? 27. Greater means plus symbol 27 we have to add. Understood? Now, my dear students, the problem will become very easy. Just transferring variable and constant term separate. 9x keep as it is, minus 9x transferring to LHS, it should be plus 9x. 90 plus 27, there should be 117, plus 9 transferring to RHS, minus 9. I repeat, 9x keep as it is, minus 9x transferring to LHS, plus 9x. 90 plus 27 should be 117, plus 9 transferring to RHS, minus 9. So 9x plus 9x should be 18x. 117 minus 9 should be 108. X is equal to 108 divided by 18. If you know 18 table, directly get cancelled. 18 1 ja, 18 6 ja. So x is equal to 6. My dear students, now therefore what we consider the digit in UP means units place. X is equal to, can I write 6? Next, the digit in TP means, can I write 10 plus as a TP? So what we consider TP? 9 minus x. So 9 keep as it is, substitute the value of x as a 6. So 9 minus 6 is 3. Now we got the digit in TP and the digit in UP. So how to make this number? The required 2-digit number is unit place 6, 10 place 3. So the required 2-digit number is 36. Understood, my dear students? And also one more alternate method also there, my dear students. Those not understanding these last 3 lines, you can substitute the value in this equation 1 or equation 2, will get the answer. That also I will explain. See, original number is equal to, see what we want, 9x plus 9. See, 9 keep as it is, x value is 6 plus 9. 9 6 is 54 plus 9. 54 plus 9 has 63 we get. Understood? Now, resulting number means, my dear students, resulting number is equal to what we got, 90 minus 9x. So, substitute the value of x as a 6, 9 into 6. So 90 minus 9 6 are 54. 90 minus 54, this should be 36. See, my dear students, 63, sum of the digit, 6 plus 3 as a 9. 63 interchange, 36, 3 plus 6 also 9, 6 plus 3 also 9. So according to the statement, our answer right. You can write like this also, no problem. You can substitute the value in any equations also, will do full marks. Understood, my dear students? Very important. One more time I will explain, please concentrate. Let the digit in unit place x, the digit in 10 place as 9 minus x. Why we multiplying 10 here? Say confidently, because 2-digit highest place value should be 10. So we are multiplying 10, the digit in UP plus the digit in TP. My dear students, it is not compulsory. You can write with UP and TP first. You can change the value TP first, then UP, write no problem. Afterwards, because we have to interchange now. Those who taking here TP, next step you write UP here. Those who taking TP here, then we have to write UP. Like this interchange is there, no? Wherever you can write first or you can write in the second step, no problem. So you can write confidently, you can write UP or TP wherever you want. Okay. So 10 into the digit in UP plus the digit in TP. So 10 keep as it is, the digit in UP means x plus the digit in TP means 9 minus x. 10 into x 10x plus 9 minus x. So 10x minus x should be 9x plus 9, equation number 1. Now in the statement they given interchange the digits. So resulting number is equal to, and don't interchange, 10 will become 0, 1 means again it will become 1 digit place. That's why without changing the place value, 10 keep as it is. So the digit in UP will become TP and TP will become UP. Why like that? Because they told in the statement interchange. So TP is equal to 9 minus x plus UP means x. 10 into 9 90 plus into minus minus 10 into x is 10x plus x. So 90 keep as it is, minus 10x plus 1x should be minus 9x. According to the statement, it is found that resulting new number is greater. Means resulting new number means equation 2 should be greater. Greater means plus. How much greater? 27. That's why plus 27. Understood? So variable term separate and constant term separate. It is easy to calculate. So 9x minus 9x to transfer this side plus 9x, 9x plus 9x 18x. 117 minus 9 should be 108. So x is equal to 108 by 18. 18 1 cha 18 6 la. So x is equal to 6. The digit in UP means x we consider. So 6 value. The digit in TP means 9 minus x. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. So the required 2-digit number is 10 place should be second number, unit place should be first number. So 36 your answer. Those who not understanding last 3 line, you can go for alternate method also. Substitute the value in equation 1 and 2. Original number means 9x plus 9. So 9 into 6, 54 plus 9, you will get 63. So resulting number means 90 minus 9x. 90 minus 9 into 6, 54. 90 minus 54 is equal to 36. Understood my dear students? Okay, fine. Same 4 problem, similar as it is, only they given place value different. Similar problem, same as it is, 4 problem also. Concentrate mediation, 4 problem, same, similar as it is. Third how is there, same, only unit place and 10 place given different. One of the 2 digits of a 2-digit number is 3 times the other digit. If you interchange the digits, of this 2-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. What is the original number? See my dear students, again here one of the two digits. One of the two digit of a two-digit number. Two-digit number means there are two place values. Which are those? One is unit place, then is one is tens place. So let the digit in units place. Instead of units, you can take ones place. No problem. Units are one, same meaning. Let the digit in unit place. We don't know unknown quantity, that's why you can take x. Then the digit in tens place. See my additions. One of the two digit of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. 3 times. Then we have to take here first unit place is x is 11, 10 place should be 3x. Why we taken 3x? Because they told in the statement 3 times. Suppose they given 4 times, we have to take 4x. Suppose they given 10 times, we have to take 10x. Understood? Now, how to find previous problem addition? Next step, original number. Original number is equal to the two-digit highest place value is 10, so we are writing 10, and you can write confidently the digit in UP plus the digit in TP. If you want to write the TP here and UP also, no problem, because next step we have to interchange, no? Wherever you can write UP first then TP, or you can write TP then UP, no problem. So 10 keep as it is, my dear students. Substitute the value of unit place, what we consider x, plus TP means what we consider, TP means tens place should be 3x. So 10 into x, 10x plus 3x. 10x plus 3x should be 13x. We get equation number 1. Understood, my dear students? Next step, interchange the digits. Interchange the digits. Original number will become resulting number. So don't change 10, because 10 keep as it is, place value keep as it is. So UP, those who written UP, then we have to write here the digit in TP. TP means tens place, plus the digit in UP means unit place. Substitute the values of unit place and tens place. Tens place means what we consider 3x, plus unit place means x. 10 into 3 is a 30x, plus x keep as it is. So 30x plus 1x. 30x plus 1x should be 31x. You can say that equation number 2. Understood, my dear students? So next line, according to the statement. According to the statement. See, my dear students, interchange if you interchange the digits of this two-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number. Add means addition. Resulting number, then original number we have to add. So according to the statement, original number means 13x. Add means addition, then resulting number means 31x. Add the resulting number to the original number, you will get is equal to 88. That's why we are writing 88. Understood? So both are like term. 13x plus 31x should be 44x is equal to 88. How to find the value of x here? 88 divided by 44. 44 1 ja, 44 2 ja. X is equal to, we get 2. X is equal to 2. Understood? Next, what they ask, my dear students, what is the original number? Therefore, original number is equal to, original number will get in equation number 1. What we got? 13x. So substitute the value of x here. 13 of x, substitute the value of x is 2. 13 into 2, 26. Understood, my dear students? Suppose in the exam, what is the resulting number they ask means? You have to substitute the value of x here. They didn't ask, but you are understand because I will explain. Suppose they ask resulting number. Resulting number is equal to what we got 31x. So 31 into 2. 2 1 are 2, 2 3 are 6. 26 interchange my dear friends, 62. If you are adding 26 plus 62, check it. You will get 88. Understood my dear friends? One more time I will explain, please concentrate. Let the digit in unit place x, then the digit in tens place 3x. Why we taken 3x? Because they told 3 times of the other digit, that's why 3x. And original number is equal to 10 into the digit in UP plus the digit in TP explanation form. So 10 into UP place value is x plus TP means 3x, 10 place. So 10 into x, 10x plus 3x. 10x plus 3x should be 13x. So interchange the digits. Resulting number is equal to 10 into interchange. UP place will become TP, TP will become UP. So TP plus UP. So 10 keep as it is, 10 place is 3x and unit place as x. 10 into 3x should be 30x plus x. 30x plus x, 31x. Now, according to the statement, they told in the statement, add the resulting number to the original number, you will get 88. So, original number means 13x plus resulting number means 31x, together we will get 88. So, 13x plus 31 should be 44x is equal to 88. X is equal to 88 by 44. 44 1 ja, 44 2 ja. X is equal to 2. They ask only original number. So, original number is equal to 13x, 13 into 2, 26. Suppose in the ask instead of original number, resulting number ask means we have to substitute the value in equation 2. 31x is equal to 31 into 2 should be 62. 26 interchange my dear students, there should be 62. Together we will get 88. Understood? That's it my dear students. Okay, we'll move to next problem. Next statement problem additions, the fifth one. Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. Shobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are their present ages? See my dear students, Shobo's mother present age is 6 times of Shobo's present age. So, solution, let the present age of Shobos is equal to be x years. Okay. Then the present age of Shobos mother B. They given in the statement mediation, Shobos mother is present age is 6 times of Shobos present age, 6 times of Shobos present age. So mother, Shobos mother be 6x. Understood? Suppose they given mediation same 3 times, you given this, you have to write 3x. Suppose they given 5 times, you have to write 5x. Suppose they given 6 times, you have to write 6x. Understood? I repeat my distance. Let the present age of Shobos be x years. Then the present age of Shobos mother be 6x. Understood? According to the statement. Listen carefully, my distance. So, how to convert a statement into equation C. Shobos is 5 years from now. Shobos is 5 years from now. Then can I write x plus 5? Will be 1/3, 1/3 of his mother's present age. Mother present age means, shall we go for 3x? I repeat, my dear students. Shobos is 5 years from now. Shobos is 5 years from now. Already we learned 5 years from now means now your age is 13. 5 years from now means 13 plus 5, 18 you are saying, no? Same here. Shobos is 5 years from now means x plus 5. Will be is equal to 1/3, 1/3 of his mother's present age. Mother present age means we consider as 6x. That's why we have to write 6x. My dear students, here nothing sign is there means we go for multiplication. So how to read this one? 1/3 of 6x. So 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, 6. So it will get now x plus 5 is equal to 1 into 2x. We get 2x. Observe carefully, my dear students. We are transferring complete whole term to RHS. Complete whole term of RHS to LHS. There is no change in result. So we are shifting complete 2x this side and x plus 5. There is no change in sign. Why? Because we are shifting whole term. That's why no need to change in sign. So 2x is equal to plus x, transferring to LHS. There should be minus x is equal to 5. So 2x minus x is equal to x. So 5 years. X is equal to 5. Therefore, present age of, what they ask? Present age of Shobos and mother. Present age of Shobos is equal to x. Then I can write 5 years. Means Shobos is 5 years. Present age of Shobos mother is equal to 6x, 6 into 5. That should be 30 years. Understood, my dear students? I repeat once again, please concentrate. Let the present age of Shobos be x years. Then the present age of Shobos mother be 6x. Why 6x? Because they told in the statement 6 times. That's why we are taking 6x. According to the statement, Shobos is 5 years from now. That's why x plus 5. 6 years from now they given x plus 6. 10 years from now you can take x plus 10. Understood? So x plus 5 and will be 1/3 of his mother present age. So 1/3 of mother present age is 6x. So 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. So x plus 5 keep as it is equal to 2 into x, 2x into 1. 2x will get complete whole term transferring to LHS. X plus 5 complete whole term transferring to RHS. That's why no need to change in sign. So 2x, here only one number transferring to LHS. That's why sign will change. 2x minus x is equal to 5. 2x minus x is equal to x is equal to 5. So present age of Shobos is equal to x. X means 5 years. Present age of Shobos mother is equal to 6x. We consider 6 into 5, 30 years. Okay, that's it, my dear students.